Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share my top tips on how to get long, healthy hair naturally. Whether you're looking to grow your hair out or simply want to maintain its health, these tips will help you achieve luscious locks without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Let's get started. First things first, proper brushing. Using a wide tooth comb or a brush with natural bristles can help prevent breakage and split ends. Start at the ends of your hair and work your way up to avoid tangles. Next, let's talk about scalp care. A healthy scalp is the foundation for healthy hair. Massaging your scalp for a few minutes each day can increase blood flow and promote hair growth. You can use your fingers or a scalp massager like this one. Now, on to one of my favorite natural treatments, oiling. Coconut oil, argan oil, and castor oil are excellent for nourishing your hair and scalp. Warm up a small amount of oil and apply it to your scalp and hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for at least an hour or overnight for a deep treatment, and then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. Speaking of shampoo, it's important to use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Sulfates can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Look for products with natural ingredients that are gentle on your hair. Another key tip is to limit heat styling. Excessive use of hair dryers, straightener, and curling irons can damage your hair over time. Try to air dry your hair whenever possible, and if you must use heat, make sure to use a heat protectant spray. Diet plays a huge role in the health of your hair. Make sure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals, especially biotin, vitamin E, and omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients can help strengthen your hair and promote growth. Incorporate foods like nuts, seeds, fish, and leafy greens into your diet. Hydration is also crucial. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. I aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Trimming your hair regularly is important to get rid of split ends and keep your hair looking healthy. Aim to trim your hair every 8 to 12 weeks. Finally, protect your hair while you sleep. Use a silk or satin pillowcase to reduce friction and prevent breakage. You can also wrap your hair in a silk scarf or use a silk bonnet. And there you have it. These are my top tips for getting long, healthy hair naturally. Remember, consistency is key. So make these practices a part of your regular routine and you'll see amazing results over time. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and hair care content. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips for healthy hair. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care of your hair. Bye.